Good morning, student. Today discuss about the theorem of geometric mean. Now listen here. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. In this theorem, here PQR is the right angle triangle, and this right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse side, PR is the hypotenuse side, and this hypotenuse side opposite vertex is Q. In this vertex the segment is drawn QS, and this QS is also known as geometric mean of the segment of that two sides, and hence this theorem is discussed by step by step. Now listen here. In this right angle triangle PQR, the segment QS is perpendicular to the PR, and this PR is also known as hypotenuse. Then the two triangles are formed here. First triangle is QSR, this upper triangle QSR, and another one triangle is created here PSQ. And these both triangles are similar because of the similarity of right angle triangle, and hence the triangle QSR similar to triangle PSQ. Then its sides also here QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ, and then only change these words SQ or QS, and hence next step is QS upon PS is equal to SR upon QS. Then cross multiplication for that two, QS into QS is equal to QS square and PS into SR, and hence in the next step QS square is equal to PS into SR. Here this QS is also known as geometric means. Here this QS is also known as geometric mean of the segment PS and SR. This segment PS and SR. Then next point, Pythagoras theorem. In this theorem, in right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. In this diagram, the triangle ABC is also known as a right angle triangle, and the square of the hypotenuse means AC is the hypotenuse and its square is AC square is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Sum of the square of the remaining two sides means which two sides? This AB and BC sides, and its square AB square BC square, and its sum is AB square plus BC square. Now they will be written here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now in this theorem given is written, those which is to be seen in our diagram, they will be written on that given. Now in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, means this B angle is also known as 90 degree. Then to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, means hypotenuse square is equal to the remaining two sides squares addition, AB square plus BC square. Then construction to draw the perpendicular segment BD on the side AC. This is the hypotenuse, and in this hypotenuse this segment BD is a perpendicular. Here also listen carefully. Point D shows the right angle triangle, and it means that the perpendicular segment of BD. Then proof in right angle triangle ABC. In this right angle triangle ABC, BD is the perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. Then the similarity of the right angle triangle, this similarity of right angle triangle property is discussed in the last lecture, student, and this property is triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB and similar to triangle BDC. Means what actually? In this triangle, this BD is a segment draw. After that, two new triangles are created, and in these two new triangles and this one first whole triangle, these three triangles are formed, and these three triangles are similar to each other, and this property is said similarity of right angle triangle. And hence this ABC triangle and ADB triangle and BDC triangle, in these three triangles only first two triangles are here consider first time. The triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB, and then its side is proportional. AB upon AD is equal to BC upon DB is equal to AC upon AB. Here corresponding sides. Then AB into AC, sorry, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. Listen here, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB, and hence this will be written here AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB, and this AB into AB is equal to AB square, and AD into AC, this AD into AC, it is also known as equation number 1. Then going to the another these two triangles ABC and BDC, these two triangles. In these two triangles similarity test, triangle ABC is similar to BDC, and hence its side also proportional. AB upon BD is equal to BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. It is also known as corresponding sides. And then BC, these two sides are given. BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. This BC and this BC is multiplied by, therefore to BC square, and is equal to DC into AC, and this is also equation number 2. Then this equation first and equation 2 added. Equation adding the equation first and 2, therefore AB square is equal plus BC square, AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC, this part, and plus sign again DC into AC here, means the equation 1 and 2 is added. Then here now listen here, AC and AC is common on the both equation, means equation 1 and here also equation 1 AC is also present, and equation 2 AC is also present. Then this AC is common, and only remaining part AD plus DC in whole bracket, and hence the next step is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into in bracket AD plus DC. Then what is meant by this AD plus DC? It is here listen here, AD plus DC means what actually? Total AC, means AC is equal to AD plus DC, and hence here also AD plus DC is equal to AC, and hence AC into AC is equal to AC square, means Next step, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and it is also known as the Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is very important in our exam. They will be asked on the our exam. Then next point is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle, if the square of the one side is equal to the sum of square of the remaining two sides, then the right angle triangle is, this triangle is also known as right angle triangle. And listen here, this theorem is the converse of the above Pythagoras theorem, and hence its given is obviously triangle ABC is equal to triangle ABC, and AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And then what prove here, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This angle B shows the 90 degree. Then in the next page, construction, draw the triangle PQR in such that AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and triangle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Listen here carefully. The construction, AB is equal in triangle PQR, draw here. This triangle PQR is draw, and this triangle PQR AB is equal to PQ means this AB जेवढी असेल तेवढीच आपण ही PQR काढणार आहोत. त्याच्यानंतर BC जेवढी असेल तेवढी ही QR घेणार, आणि AC जेवढी असेल तेवढी PR घेणार, म्हणजे सेम याच मापाचा हा ट्रायंगल असेल. देन proof in triangle PQR, this new triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. This angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Then PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. It is also known as Pythagoras theorem. But in the construction, you also write AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. Here PQ is equal to AB means PQ square is equal to obviously AB square, and QR is equal to BC means QR square is equal to BC square. Here also given, and hence the this step is converted to, in this step PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and they will be in construction. Then AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, they will be written in a given. Listen here, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and hence PR square is equal to AC square, and this next step PR is equal to AC. In this way, the first triangle is similar to the second triangle, and hence the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and its property is side test. Then angle ABC is equal to angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. In this way, this theorem is completed. Then student, in our homework, write down these three theorems carefully and learn this. First theorem, write theorem of geometric means. Then second theorem is learn Pythagoras theorem, and third the converse of Pythagoras theorem. In these three theorem, only these first two theorem means Pythagoras theorem and theorem of geometric means, they will be asked many times in our SSC board exam. So student, all of you request you should write first this theorem and learn.